Do you have any advice for people like wanting to get into cybersecurity, like some do's and don'ts that you might add for someone that's interested in this field?
Yeah, I think there's a few things. One, what works for me or someone else won't necessarily work for you. Depending on where you're at in your career, if you're just coming out of college versus if you have some experience, where you're located, like all these are going to be different factors
Yeah,
in kind of getting your foot in the door
yeah,
or like starting a job in security. Um, but the biggest thing I would say is don't be afraid to just start on something. Um, when I was first starting out, I was like, well, I really want to get some skills. Should I start with networking? Should I start with, Python? Should I start with,
yeah,
pen testing? All these different things. And I think it doesn't really matter where you start as
yeah,
long as you kind of get those core skills, and also like, document it, like make a blog, join Twitter, start interacting with people. All these things they kind of seem insignificant,
yeah,
but they'll really help you network with people. They'll help you when someone's reviewing your website, be like, oh, this person can, document their thoughts. That's what we need in a pen tester. Let me reach out to them.
yeah.
So just start somewhere. It doesn't really matter, and interact with the community. I think those are the two like biggest things.
For sure, anything will lead to something, right?
Yep,
Yeah,
yep, that's
that's
right.
that's that's true, man. Awesome advice.